Hey dudes, more tips and tricks in 2 minutes. In this video, I am going to show you how to whitening our teeth after the photography. This unique effects must need for all designers, photographers and people who have loved upload their photos on the social medias. Well, let me do that how. Before that, I am going to zoom the picture maximum size, then duplicate the image by the shortcut of Ctrl J. Why we need to duplicate the image? Because we can see the difference before and after once it gets done. Now press the shortcut Q for mask mode, or you can click here, then go to your brush. On the brush settings, you can choose the soft brush, don't choose the hard brush. Now use the shortcut left to open bracket and right to open bracket for increasing or decreasing brush size. So depending on teeth size, you can set the brush. While applying brush, that color value should be black and white. Yeah, let me do it. Once it's done, again you press Q or you can click here, then you will get the selection. But now your selection is except your teeth area. How to bring it back? Yes, very simple. Press the shortcut Ctrl Shift I, then you will get the selection only the teeth area. Now zoom the image very closer, then confirm your layer. Press Ctrl L for levels. Now adjust the levels for getting more brightened. Yeah, it's very amazing now. But while adjusting these levels, is the selection disturbing to you? Yes. Ctrl H, you can hide the selection. Now work freely to adjust the level which you like. After that, once you done finest value, then OK. Now press Ctrl H, you will get the selection back. Again Ctrl D to deselect the area. Now you can check both images, before and after, before and after. Hope this class will be helpful to you guys. Thanks dudes.